In this video, you're going to learn how to write powers of 10 in different forms with positive exponents. And I want to start out by thinking about 10 to the third power, okay? And we're going to work this out by hand. So as you know, 10 to the third power means 10 times 10 times 10. And if we were to work this out by hand, it would be a long process. We would have to multiply 10 times 10 and get 100, and then multiply that out by 10 and get 1,000. Well, there's a faster way to do this, and I want to see if you can look at some of the patterns and figure out how to do this on your own. The first thing is, if we have 10 to the fifth power, that means that we're multiplying 10 by itself 5 times. So we're going to multiply 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. Standard form is basically what you get when you multiply the factors out. So that would be 100,000. Also, if you notice, there are 5 zeros at the end, and it's to the fifth power. Next example is 10 to the fourth power, and we're going to multiply 10 by itself 4 times. So we're going to multiply 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. We're multiplying it 4 times because our exponent is 4. And there are going to be 4 zeros. So there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, which is 10,000. So 10 to the fourth power is 10,000. 10 to the third power, I'm multiplying 10 by itself 3 times. 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000. There are 3 zeros in 1,000, and our exponent is also 3. 10 to the second power, we're multiplying 10 by itself 2 times, and there are 2 zeros. 10 to the first power, we're not multiplying 10 by anything, it's just 10. And the standard form is just 10. So there are 3 important concepts that I want to go over with you. The first one is that when the exponent is positive, it tells you how many times you're going to multiply by 10. So if here our exponent is positive and it's 3, that means we're going to multiply 10 by itself 3 times. A positive exponent tells you how many zeros that you're going to have. So if we have something like 10 to the seventh power, that means that we're going to have 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to put the commas in there. And the third important key concept is every time your exponent goes down, we're dividing by 10. So if we look from here to here, we're dividing by 10. To get from here to here, we're also dividing by 10. So every time our exponent goes down, we're dividing by 10. And that concludes this video.